Hey guys, so today is going to be my unboxing of my Maze Boxycharm. So Maze box is longer this way and shorter kind of this way, which means there's something obviously in here to match said box, which means I think I know what's in here. I did see a spoiler alert for this month's box, and it was a nice spoiler alert. Either of the ones, the variations I could have gotten is totally fine by me. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Let's just jump right into this Boxycharm. So this month's Boxycharm is called Making Waves, and I absolutely love this. Anything beachy is my jam, so there's that. I'm just gonna set this aside for now. And of course, the first thing I see in here happens to be the reason why this box looks like this. And this is the glamglow gentle bubble conditioning face wash. And is this upside down? This box is all... oh, it's upside down. What am I doing? Okay. So that is the cool box. It's got the oil slick on it. And let's just open this up and... yep, so that's exactly what it looks like. And this is definitely a full-size product. Obviously, Boxycharm is supposed to have full-size products in it. And that's awesome. So this is face wash. And... so let's just see. So the glamglow retails for $28 in the States. I do know this actually retails for a little bit more in Canada at the Sephora because I was looking at it before and I wanted to purchase it and try it out, but now I don't have to buy it, so it's right here. So up next, let's grab this. So that looked really lovely. Okay, so this is the dose of colors. This is in Talk is Chick, I think it's called. Anyway, so I'm excited for this one. There was a few other colors that I saw. Oh, my box variation is box number 2, if you guys were wondering. I know that there were a few variations of this Dose of Colors lipstick, and some of them were so bright, like hot pink, and that could have been interesting, but I have a few hot pink lipsticks already, so I'm kind of happy that I got this one. And this is a lovely, lovely color. It looks kind of like one of the Dose of Colors I already have, but that's okay. So there's that, and then I'll just do a swatch, and that is what it looks like. Kind of almost matches the lipstick I'm wearing today, but I'm wearing 2 different kind of lipsticks right now, so there's that. So that is super exciting. I love Dose of Colors. And the Dose of Colors lipstick retails for $18. Okay, then up next is this here, and this is the, this is a Ciate London lustre, I think it's called. This is a cream eyeshadow, so let's see. I think I got mine in the color Cupid. Oh, that's pretty cute. Okay, so that is kind of a purpley color, pinky purple. Let's see what it, so there's a Dove, there's a foot applicator there. Let's do a swatch. Oh, it is quite pink. Okay. It's got like a sheen of purple to it when I look at it, but... so that is what it looks like on. That is really pretty. That would be really nice as a highlight. Maybe I have to try that. Look how pretty that is. So this, the eyeshadow, the cream eyeshadow retails for $22. So that's cool. So then there's this here, and I flipped this up. I did see this. So in here, this is the Alomar medium to tan blush trio, and these are the colors that are in the medium to tan. I am very excited I got the medium to tan because the light ones would probably have been a little too light for me. I absolutely love these colors. Like toasted. Look how beautiful the color that is. Let's do a swatch of toasted. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, my camera's not really picking it up. And I really, really like this like peachy color. I'm really, really into peaches and oranges right now, so that is going to look super cool. So this is like the 3rd Alomar product we have gotten in our Boxycharm, and I absolutely love Alomar products. This is such a great brand. So the Alomar Trio palette was about retails for $22, so that's really nice. And there's one more thing in this Boxycharm, and this is the Mellow. It's called Mellow. The brand's called Mellow. This is the brow definer. This is an eyebrow pencil, or pencil. This is what it looks like. It's in the color chocolate, which, okay, let's do a swatch. It's like a angled one. don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up. It's like a triangle, so I'm just gonna... okay, so it's not too bad. It's nice and creamy, so that might actually be really nice. It might actually work quite well for my eyebrows, which I'm excited for. So the Mellow eyebrow pencil actually retails for $18, so that's not bad. We have gotten a few eyebrow pencils in the box lately, and I can't say that I hate it because I love eyebrow pencils. Let's see what everything costs for this month's box. So this month's box only comes out to about $100 or $108, which is still good considering I think I spend about $35 for the box, so that's not too bad. And the reason why I spend $35 for the box is because I live in Canada, so with the shipping and handling fee being a different price, or for the shipping and handling, as well as the the exchange rate, that is kind of roughly where it sits. Alright, so this is everything for this month's Boxycharm. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment in the comments below, or if you want to see a video with me using any of these products, again, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can make videos for you. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!